We are back again. Yes, so it's the season of admission. So, are you interested in studying in Italy? But you're also looking for university that the tuition fee, the school fees is very, very cheap. Eh? Because you cannot afford all those big ones. Now, this is it. University of Messina, Università degli Studi di Messina, is that university you have been looking for. And now, this university, the tuition fee is chickily money, small money. Now, before I talk too much, let's dive into the video. Now, this university, they have BSc programs and they also have master degree programs. So let's go right in. Before I continue, please, as you're watching my video, like the video, share the video, press the bell, that bell you are seeing, so that when I post new video, you will just be the first person to receive it. Pakam, pakam, pakam. So let's go right in. So when you type University of Messina on Google, so when you open the dashboard, you just come here, this English here, you click it. So you see from here now, this bachelor's degree in civil engineering to this bachelor's degree in transnational and European legal studies. These are English taught programs at BSc level. Then this one, medicine and surgery, 6-year program, single degree program. There's an official exam called EMAT, and right now it's not available. The exam is not yet open. Most times it's in September. But Nigerian students, and let me tell you people something. If you're interested in studying this program, the exam, that EMAT exam, the only center they have in Africa is in South Africa. So if you know you can find your way there, then you can be interested in this program. That's like the exam, you have to take it physically, it's not an online exam. So if you can find your way to South Africa, and if you're in Africa, then you are good to go with studying medicine and surgery in Italy. Then you come down to see these other ones. These are all the MSc program, master degree, master degree. So that is it. If you want to find out more information about the program, you just click here and you click official sites. All right. So let's come to this browse the section. So let's go to this application and admission. So it says all international students may enroll in one of the first, second programs of the Italian university system. So it says here that you must have completed 12 years of schooling for you to access undergraduate program. 12 years of schooling, and you must be at least 17 years of age. Then for the postgraduate program, that is the MSc program, you must have completed at least 15 years of education. Okay, then this is the portal we are going to use to make the application. Meanwhile, let's go down. So you see the first call for non-EU students started on the 3rd of March and to end 28th of March. You see pre-evaluation application for the year 2025-2026. Then the second call will start on the 18th of April and to end on the 30th of May. Okay, this is both for bachelor's degree and master's degree and the single degree program. Then the third call for no visa applicants and all candidates for medicine and surgery is call for no visa applicants, so you don't fall into here, because one is for no visa, people that will not be needing visa. And you see the application fee is 15 euros. Application fee is 15 euros, and you can apply for more than maximum of 2 programs. Okay, maximum of 2 programs. So when you come down here, you see the admission requirement. So let's look at the English requirement for programs taught in English. It says students are required to upload an international English language certificate at B2 level, B2 level. Okay, unless they belong to one of the categories exempted from the international language certificate. So for that, let's click this link. Let's see what they have here. Due to the large increase in study visa application, they tend to consider students with an international English language certificate in a more positive light. Students can apply without an international English language certificate, but the application might be considered incomplete. In this case, the applicant will have to 30 days to provide the required certificate. Do you understand me? So it's saying here now, it's not saying okay, don't apply without any English certificate. Say you can apply, but it might be considered incomplete. Is a but. Okay. So I will advise you to just go straight for the to get your language certificate. So you see the different types here. You see the different types that they accept here. Then let's see this exemption, people that they are exempting. So the people that they are exempting, if you're a native speaker from any of these countries, students with qualifying results from a degree program taught entirely in English issued by a higher educational institution in one or the countries or territory listed above. You see, it is talking, it's still referring to this one. Students who have obtained an international DZ with program entirely taught in English. Students taking a standard test in English, e.g. maths, only if the test is compulsory or preferential requirement for the choosing degree program. Let's look at the admission requirements for bachelor's degree program. So this is the requirements. High school diploma obtained after 12 years. Transcript, copy of valid passport. So you can click this link to also see admission requirements by country. So this is the file to see the admission requirements by country. So you see it now. So you see the requirements for each country, then the requirements for master degree program. So you see you also need here your high school diploma, bachelor's degree, diploma, must show at least 15 years of education, transcript records, valid passport. You see, so that's what it requires for you. Okay, so now here you can also look at how to make the application. Before we go for the application directly, let's quickly look at the tuition fee, so you will know that this program is really cheap. Now you come here, fees and funding. So international students will be calculated based on the country group. A fixed rate of 156.00 is due during the enrollment period. So this one is more like the enrollment fee. Okay. So let's look at tuition fee for international students for this academic session. That's the one we are going to enter in September. So you see it. Group A, 156 for very poor countries. Group B, this is it. Group C, this is it. Group D, this is the tuition fee. So let's look at the country. So you come here. Oh, no, you come to this list of country. You click this file. So you know where your country falls into. Okay, and where you did group that you have been grouped. So you remember what group A is paying. Remember what group B is paying. Remember what group C is paying, and group D is paying. Okay, group A was the cheapest. Group A was 156, and then group B was about 200 something. But just know your group, okay? Just know. So for my Nigerian people, let's see where we fall into. Yes, we fall into group B. You see it, Nigeria. So you see group B, CC, 256 euro. It's 100 euro plus original tax that make up this amount. Oh, you seen it? Very, very cheap. Cheap. So now let's go straight to the application. So you come to this application and admission. You come and click this UniME application portal. So when you come here, you're supposed to use your email and password, but you don't have any. So you're going to register. You click here, register. So you put in your email address, you put in the password, you create your own password, you confirm your password, your first name, second name, ID number, that is the passport number. You must click these two boxes and then you click register. All right. So when you have successfully been able to register, This is the dashboard that it brings to you. Okay, so you just scroll down and then you click start application. It brings you here. I already have an application running, so that's why it's showing me. And then it takes you to this same portal now. Something like this will come out. Instead of continue, it will put new application. Okay, so I'm just going to show you from here. So it brings you here. All right, so you just fill up all this information. Okay, first you click yes here because you need a visa. You put your country of residence, the master, the program type you are going for, the course you're going for, the country, first call, which is this current the call that is available going on. You click next. You come here, you fill in your data. Okay, fill in your data, upload your photo, your picture here. Photo is picture. Here they're asking you to upload your passport. Put in your passport, fill in all other information here, your contact number, then you click next. Okay, you can also click save and save it if you're going to come back. So one thing I want you to take note of here is that when this icon is marked good, meaning you are done completely with that phase, okay, then you come to the next one, language. Here you're going to fill in, upload your English certificate, okay, the level, you choose the level of which you have. All right, so when you're done with that, you upload certificates, you come here and you go to education and experience. Okay, that's it. This upper part here, upload your CV. This higher school education is talking about a secondary school. Okay, all this information is about a secondary school. You can get your GPA from your transcript from your secondary school. They put it there when they compile it for you. All right, if you did an entry test in your country, you can put yes. If you did not, you put no. So why this lower one here is talking about details about your BSc degree. All right, it's talking about your BSc degree. Now, when they say provisional document, official document, provisional means you don't have the original one at hand. Maybe you have statements. Then if you have the official one at hand, you click official. All right, so that's probably it. When you finish, you click next, or you click save if you're coming back to edit one or two things. But if you know you are done, you just click next and you go ahead. So here is details about the application fee. All right, so if you need help with the application fee, you can contact me. I give assistance as if you're not able to pay it yourself. It's not for free, oh, it's for a token. Those on my Telegram group, I give them very good discount. And then when you are done with all of this, you come to the last place and then you tell them how you found out about them. You just click yes for your declaration, yes for the declaration, and then you submit. That's it. So guys, please support me by liking my video. I get a lot of views, but please, the like should also go along with it to help YouTube recommend my video to other people. I think I'm doing a good job. What do you think? So thank you for watching. At this point, I wish you success for those of you who are making application. And don't forget that you do not need your documents to be authenticated, translated, or legalized to make an application. Okay? So that's it. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.